All right, we're going to start on 331, drawing number 9, this guy right here. I've set everything up. You've done this enough times, you don't have to see me go through it. All right, what I see there is a little rectangle with a circle up above and lines connecting. So I'm going to go to front plane, sketch, hit the sketch view. I'm going to put a center line on the vertical. So when I draw this little square in here, this little rectangle, it'll snap even on both sides. Let's make this 300. And it's probably just about 30 millimeters thick, so we'll leave that there. Then up here, there's a circle, a round circle here. We'll set it 60 millimeters away. We'll have the diameter of 45. Maybe it's a little higher. Let's set it about 80 and see how, yeah, that's a little bit better with 80. And then it comes down off of here and flows right into there. So we should be able to take a line and come up to where it says tangent. And then we like that. So that's a 53-degree angle. Let's make it 50 degrees. Yeah, we like that. We should be able to do the same thing over here. Start over here, come up until we see the little T pop up. That means it's tangent. We'll change that dimension to 50 degrees as well. That should make everything nice and even. We got to delete some segments here, get rid of this bottom arc on both sides. Get rid of the lines in here because we want it to be a solid. If we go to the select tool, it turns yellow. That's good. But we can also put the circle that goes right through the middle of this in here right now too. Since we're here, we might as well do it. Looks like it's going to be about a 20 millimeter circle that goes right through. We can hit the green check. We'll extrude this, make it even on both sides of the plane. It looks like it's going to be about 200 millimeters, probably maybe 300, just the same size. So we'll go 300. We got that in there. That's good. It looks good. We got to round these edges right here. So we'll take the rounding tool, round that edge right there. Let's change it to maybe a 20. Rotate over here, change that to 20. And hit the green check, and that kind of looks like it. Well, now we just got to cut the wedge out this way. So we'll find the plane that runs right through there. That's, can't get it, click on it. We'll hit sketch first, then we'll get that plane. Hit sketch, sketch view, and watch how it orients itself. So that's how it did. We need a reference right here. Because we're going to create a cutout in there. And it looks almost like a square with some rounded edges. So let's just do a square. First, we'll draw it right on here. I'm going to put a center line up and down on the vertical. And we'll just put a square and we'll round some stuff off once we're done. And there's my green arrows. Let's call this 220. Let's call this 70 deep. Yeah, that should be good. And we'll extrude that equal on both sides of the plane. Let's call it about 200 to push her all the way through. Remove material. And that's good there. We're going to round this inner edge here. Round that off. Round that off. And that should be pretty good. Now this outer edge, this edge is not rounded. It's called a chamfer. So this chamfer right here we're going to take, it's D to D. So if we click on that edge, it should catch the whole edge and chop it off. Let's make it 20. Let's try 15. That looks better. So there's that drawing pretty much done. Doesn't have to look perfect. It's got to look similar. Just learning tools.